welcome back. Today I'm going to recreate the makeup look that Kathleen Light did 3 months ago, but of course I'm going to give it my own twist. So is this matte blue teal smoky eye. I'm going to insert the picture right here, and of course I'm going to use her palette. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to prime my lids with my Maybelline concealer, and I'm so sorry for this voice. I know it's not cute, but it is what it is. Then I'm going with my NYX Jumbo Pencil. This is in the shade Milk, and I'm using this because I want the colors to be very vibrant. And then I'm going to set everything with my RCMA No Color Powder. That is such a long name. And from my Kathleen Lights palette, I'm starting with Magical, and that will be my transition shade. Next I'm picking the color Spark, and I'm going to apply that in my crease as well. And I have to let you know that this makeup look requires a lot of blending. Then I'm going with the star of this show, and this is Water Bearer. This is such a cute dark green. I don't know why Kathleen named the video Blue Tail, because I don't even know what color is that. So this is green to me. So as you can see, I'm starting with very light hand because this is very pigmented, and I'm going to build that color as my liking. So basically this is what I'm doing next. Pack more color and blending, and pack more color and then more blending. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use Moony, and very quick off camera I'm going to do my face makeup. And for my bottom lash line, I'm starting with Shooting Star, and yeah, I'm kind of connecting the bottom lash line with my top lash line at the end of my eyes. I don't know how to explain that. And then I'm going with Water Bearer, and I'm going to build that color on my bottom lash line as I did on my lids. Then I'm going with Mermaid Boy, and this is the second star of this show. This is such a beautiful shimmery green, emerald green. I don't know how to describe this color because it has some brown reflects. I don't know, it's gorgeous. If you have this palette, you totally understand this. And I'm dragging that very close to my inner corners, and then I'm going again with Spark because I wanted my bottom lash line to match as my lid. So I added just a touch of Spark in there. Off camera, I applied my lashes. These are in the style Hong Kong. And for my lips, first I'm going to line them with my ColourPop Skimpy Lippie, and then I went with this Ultra Satin lipstick in the shade Strut. But after I applied that, I don't know, it was too dark for this eye makeup look, so I decided to switch that with my Skimpy Cream Lippie stick, and I think this lipstick look better for this eye makeup look. To finish this makeup look, I'm going to apply the shade Laser in my tear dot, and this is from my NYX Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. I'm going to recreate a makeup look. Oh, come on.